Emergency purified water for immediate use, lightweight and extremely compact. Loss potential minimized due to individual sachets and ideal for storage. Easy to dispense from a pre-measured sachet. Superior packaging materials for optimum durability in your survival kit. Such, Canadian Coast Guard, EC and NZ approval, NAN 8960-0112-4454-3. 5 years shelf life. Top reviews from the United States. Convenient and portable water packs. I have bought these Datrex potable water packs previously, great for outdoor use, emergency use in cars, etc. They are far more portable than plastic bottles are, and in a pinch, you know you've got potable water for cooking, hygiene, and drinking.